He's all right in a second. No, he's all right. You're right. You're right there. You're a handsome young chap, aren't you? Look at you. Fucking straps on you there, kid. Your name? Henry. Fuck off. Maybe you should suck his dick then. Imagine being named after a Hoover, though. Fell to that. Yes, Henry, lad. I've ever met a Henry in real life, you know. What do you do, Henry? Henry the Spark. Nice to meet you, mate. You're okay. Where are you from, Henry?
North Wales.
From North Wales. Oswestry. No, whereabouts? Old Colwyn. Old Colwyn. Is that really a place, yeah? Well, not the new one. Just people riding on their horses and that. Is she Mrs. Henry? Yeah. Lovely, that's nice. What's your name? You're tiny, aren't you? Amelia, you're right, Amelia. Oh, he's a big lad, isn't he? That must fucking kill that. Yeah, look at him. Yeah, I'm like this after that. Fucking hips are like sand. What do you do, mate?
I work for O2.
You work for O2? Sound. How long have you been together for? Yeah? Nice, that, innit? You're all happy and that. It's lovely that. You got a little bit, you living together and all that?
No, not yet.
Not living together?
Not yet.
Ooh! Flying there, Henry. Go ahead, lad. Where you living with your man, are you, Henry? Yeah. Oh. How old are you, mate?
20.
See, fucking sick, that, mate. You're all these are expecting me to take the piss out of you. I'm not gonna. No way. Fucking stay there, mate. Stay there. Don't ever leave. Just front your man out. Just be about 35 and your man will be looking at you. Just fucking eating your man's crisp out of the cupboard and that. And she'll start getting more and more pissed off as the time goes on. She's like, when are you leaving? Like, when are you leaving? Just front it out, Henry. You start wanking in the kitchen and that. She'll go in there, mate, and then you get a free gaff. You don't get on the ladder otherwise. It's fucking shit, well, mate. Do you live with your mum and dad as well? Oh, where'd you do your shagging then? Ah, that's horrible, that. Just proper shush fucking. Henry, is that you? Shut up, Mum! It's a film! Shagging on the floor and that so the bed doesn't make noise. Staying over, we got a little hotel tonight. No, going back to Old Colwyn. How long does it take to get back there? An hour or so. How long by horse? 3 days. It's Amelia sounds like that. You going back tonight? Oh, drive it. Where's your car? Oh, you're getting the train. Oh, fuck all that. Come and stay with us. Belting in mine, you know. I've got mushies in that there. Yeah, we'll have a little mushy top and tail. She's after a freezer, mate. Sure, mate, it's a slag, you know. I mean, I'll shag her though, devil. Teresa, lick your pussy. Oh, what a time to be alive, eh?